Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by matching your workspace and your display. Set 6500K and a rec. 709 timeline so decisions translate. Once done, add a dedicated color corrector node or layer and pull up scopes, vector scope and parade. Make a small, soft mask over an unshadowed patch of skin and use the color picker to sample a neutral midtone. This gives you a consistent reference point. Make sure to keep adjustments subtle. The goal is balance before contrast or stylized grading. Now you address hue and saturation in a controlled order. First, remove any color cast by gently reducing saturation because that reveals direction. Then use lift, gamma, gain to nudge midtones toward the sampled neutral. Do shadows and highlights more conservatively to preserve detail. Keep an eye on the vector scope. Once the skin cluster hugs the skin tone line, you're close. Make incremental moves, reset if you overshoot, then reintroduce tiny saturation to restore healthy tones. Finish by refining. Isolate residual hues with an HSL qualifier and pull only the problematic range toward the desired tone, then increase saturation slightly so skin looks alive. If you have multiple shots, track masks and copy node chains, then micro-adjust per clip to match. Finally, add a gentle custom curve or mid-tone lift for contrast if skin reads flat. If things go wrong, undo the last node, reset that qualifier, and resample. Small, reversible steps keep your work non-destructive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.